Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 15th of June. Thanks for joining us today. We had another awesome day in the markets. We had two trades for a maximum profit potential of 7.25 points or 29 ticks. Our first trade, the market did gap down, which was pretty interesting. I was not expecting that. I thought today it would probably open up somewhere up here and then sell down. But that was definitely interesting. I didn't watch the markets at all last night, so that's probably why I was surprised. We took our first long right in this area here, and we were able to write it up, exiting on the way up. And then we were watching this level up here, or this area, and the market did sell back down. We grabbed another long right in this area here. Actually, yeah, this area here, and we were able to exit that on the way up as well. The market, I was thinking about entering here. I started to talk about it, and all of a sudden price just ran away from me. I don't chase price. That's not what I do. That's not how I trade. So I just let it go. Sometimes that happens. It's usually interesting when that does happen. So it's the first time it's happened to me in a while. But it did run down. It started buying back up. I stepped away for a bit, and then the market totally just tanked. So it is interesting when that happens. It really did tank, and now they're trying to buy this thing back up. It's pretty much just moving sideways. It was a fun day though. We try to talk trading every day, and I try to instill that mentality in traders in the room, especially in the trading courses. I definitely hit upon that a lot, and it's a lot of fun because a lot of people say when you teach people you learn more than the entire time you were learning before you ever taught anyone, and I think that is true. I've learned so much from people, even before I started this business, before I even got into trading, just being able to, watch what people do and, seeing their reactions and this and that in different situations. I can, as a trader, I could look at that and, see certain things, and it has made me a better trader. I think it's made me a better trader. Being able to teach people and meet other traders, it's been a lot of fun because trading is such a lonely business. You're in it by yourself, and it can get overwhelming at times. So being able to have a little group, being able to trade in a little group has definitely been fun and interesting, a little challenging. And being able to answer questions has been good. Like throughout the market, like someone asks a question, it gives me time to talk about certain things, and you don't have to focus on trading totally, and only trading for 2.5 hours is definitely good as well. It definitely beats having to sit in a chair watch the market all day long. You might watch the market for 2 hours and step out, and you're gonna miss your trade. So narrowing that down was definitely a step in the right direction as well. Anyway, website is businesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check it out. It may or may not be for you. Trading's not for everyone, and my style of trading is not for every trader. But definitely stop by and check it out. If if you have any questions, upper right hand side of the website, don't hesitate to send me out whatever you have. If you do enjoy this video you're watching, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. I would definitely appreciate that. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.